Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off your airplane mode in Windows. What you need to do, you need to go on first option. Here you can click on this and here you can find the airplane mode, turn on airplane mode, and there you go, airplane mode is on. If you don't find it here, you can go on the search option. Here go for airplane mode settings, click on it, and there you go. Here you can see airplane mode. And if you still don't find it, then just restart your PC. Sometimes the drivers or the software has bug in it. And in most cases, or in some cases, for example, I have a Asus laptop. So in my case, I have a dedicated key for the airplane mode. So I can just Fn and press the dedicated key right there. And as you can see, the airplane mode is on and airplane mode is off. And these were some steps. If you can't find this, you can just update your Windows from here. You can update your Windows if there is some glitch in the Windows, and also you can restart your PC after not finding it. So this was all about the video. If you liked it, please press like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.